Hello, I'm Sunny. Welcome to our Pinyin series. Today we're talking about the rules of Pinyin abbreviation. Okay, so if final E plus final O, how we say? Yo, you. But when we write, we need to write like this. So if you see this final, it's not E and U, it's E and O. So it's you, not you. It's yo. So when you pronounce, you need to have a O. Yo. And if final U plus final A, how we say? U, A, way. Good, way. But you need to write like this. So if you see this final, not U and E, U and E cannot make a sounds out. So you can try the U, E, no sound. So we say U, A, way. So write like this. And that's one. U and N. So U, N, when. Very good. When. But you write like no E, just U and N. U and N. So we cannot, if you see this one, cannot say it's a when. U and N cannot together, right? So it's a when. Very good. Okay, this is all about the rules of Pinyin abbreviation. If you liked today's video, please like and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. 再见。